An investigator is trying to work out the base content of DNA, and they've worked out cytosine is 14%. We need to work out all the others. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, these are the only 4 nucleotides. If we add up all of the percentages, we'll get 100%. So C plus G plus A plus T equals 100%. The second piece of information we need here, we can get from looking at a piece of DNA. So let's say there's an adenine and a guanine on this strand. Well, it's double-stranded, and we know what's going to be on the other strand. Wherever you see an adenine, you see a thymine. Wherever you see a guanine, you see a cytosine. And this means that the percentage of DNA that is cytosine is the same as the percentage that is guanine.